Hello, children. How are you all? I am Arpita Nemani, your computer teacher. Let's start today with the next chapter of your computer. Uses of computer. Okay, children. Chapter number 3. Uses of computers. Children, as we have already studied what is computer and what are its main parts. So, now in this chapter we will study what are the uses of computers. Okay? Children, we can do many different works using a computer. In this chapter, we will study uses of it in different ways. We know that we can listen to music, watch cartoons and movies on a TV. Right, children? We know that, right? But a computer also can do much more than all these things. Do you know? Children, do you all know that we can play different games on computer? See, as you can see the pictures, computer is used to play car racing, blocks game, boxing, chess, cricket also, basketball and many other games. Children's computer is used for typing. Now, do you know what is typing? Okay, you don't know, so I will explain you. We all know how to write on paper with pencil, right? But do you know that we can also write on computer using keyboard? Keyboard. Children, we studied in the last chapter that keyboard has many keys on it which is used for typing. Okay, children? So, writing on computer using keyboard is called typing. Now, computer is also used for making drawings. We all love to make drawings, right? We can draw many different pictures of our choice on computer. It can be of any shape or any free hand drawing also. Children, a computer is also used to solve different sums. Sums we do in maths that same sums we can do on computer also. We can do addition, subtraction and many more types of sums on computer. See in the image, the boy is doing addition sum on computer. Next, computer is also used for listening to music. We can play songs and listen to music on a computer. Watching cartoons and movies. Wow, we all love it. We can watch cartoon films on computer. Children's, computers are also used in school. In school, computer is used for teaching. Teacher teaches computer in a school, right? And in school, computer is also used for preparing mark sheets. Mark sheets. When your exams are there, teachers used to prepare your mark sheets, right? So, we can prepare mark sheets using computer. Computers are also used at home. At home, we use computer to send emails. And at home, computers are also used for doing homework and projects. Now childrens, as we are done with the chapter and we have studied all the uses of computers, now let's start solving your textbook exercise. So, all of you open page number 30. Question number 1. The pictures show Binny doing different activities. Identify the ones that can be done on a computer also and mark a tick in the boxes against them. So children, in this a girl Binny is doing various other activities and you have to tick the activities which you can do on computer also. So, in first picture, Binny is listening to music. So, we can listen to music on a computer also, right? So, we have to put a right tick against it. Then, Binny is playing chess with her friend. We can play chess on computer also. So, right tick. Then, Binny is washing her hands. We can't wash hands on computer. Okay? So, no tick. Now, Binny is solving sums. We can solve sums on computer also. So, tick. Binny is eating ice cream. We can't eat ice cream on computer. So, there will be no tick there. Okay? Now, let's move to question number 2. Look at the picture shown below. Think and fill in the blanks to complete the sentences. Okay? Keys are found on the dash. Keys are found on the keyboard. They are pressed to dash on the computer. They are pressed to write on the computer. We write using keyboard, right? Which is called typing. It is called typing. Now, let's move to question number 3 on page number 31. Look at the picture below. Copy the picture on the computer monitor and color it. The picture of the butterfly is given and you have to draw the butterfly on the monitor of the computer and also color it. Okay? Question number 4. Write T for the true statement and F for the false one. Okay? A. You can solve sums on a computer. Yes, we can solve sums on a computer. So it's true. T. B. A computer cannot be used in schools. It is wrong. Computer can be used in schools. So F. C. We cannot watch movies on a computer. We can watch movies on a computer. So this is also false. F. D. A student can use a computer for drawing. Yes, we can use computers for drawing. So it is true. E. You can play games on a computer. Yes, we can play games on a computer. So it is true. Okay, children? Thank you.